Hello students, in the last video we have seen the model sampling part 1 in which we learned how to generate the random sample from uniform distribution over AB. We have also seen how the random sample is useful in the technique of simulation. So in this video now we see how to generate a random sample by using Excel from exponential distribution with mean theta. Now suppose x is a random variable which follows exponential distribution with mean theta, then its distribution function is given by f of x is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus x upon theta. So using this function we will get x as our f of x is 1 minus e to the power minus x by theta. So I can write this e to the power minus x by theta as 1 minus f of x. So as to cancel this e, I will take log to base e on both sides. So log to base e to the power minus x by theta is equal to log to the base e of 1 minus f of x. So log to the base e of e is always 1. So this is minus x by theta into log to base e of e, which is always 1, and therefore this is minus x by theta only. This log to base e, we know that we can also write it as ln. So this is equal ln of 1 minus f of x. And therefore we get x as minus theta into ln of 1 minus f of x. So now we are going to use this formula to generate a random sample from exponential distribution with mean theta. See the stepwise procedure. To generate a random numbers from uniform 0, 1, we use a MS Excel function, that is RAND open bracket. Let us denote these random numbers with U1, U2, so on UN. Then we use the distribution function of exponential distribution, which is f of x equal to 1 minus e to the power minus x by theta, to get x equal to minus theta into ln of 1 minus f of x. Now this x will give us a random number from exponential distribution with mean theta. Since we have seen that the distribution function lies between 0 and 1, which is by the property of distribution function, we can replace this f of x with the corresponding value of ui, where ui is a random number from uniform distribution over 0, 1. So we will replace this f of x with ui now. So let us see how to do this. So this is the example where the life length of certain battery is exponentially distributed with mean 1500 days. We have to simulate the life length of 30 batteries and we have to obtain the descriptive statistics of this sample. So for this we are going to use the Excel functions. As we have to generate the 30 random numbers, we will write the serial numbers from 1 to 30. So just type 1 and 2 and copy it as many as you required. So I will copy it till 30 because I require 30 random numbers. Now in the next column we will draw a random number from uniform distribution over 0, 1, and I am denoting it with f of x because f of x is the distribution function of exponential distribution, and by the property of uniform distribution if x is a random continuous random variable having some distribution for which the distribution function is invertible, then its distribution function follows uniform distribution with 0, 1. So accordingly this f of x follows uniform distribution over 0, 1. So I can replace f of x here with the uniform random number in between 0 and 1. So as to generate this random number from uniform distribution, I am going to use a function RAND here. So once I type R, I can see the functions which starts with R. So RAND is a function here. Let us choose this, and you can see that we have to close the bracket according to this, and this is a random number in between 0 and 1. That is a random number from uniform 0, 1. So I will copy this for 30 numbers because I need 30 random numbers. So I have copied it for 30 times because I need 30 random numbers from exponential distribution, and to get it I need 30 random numbers from uniform 0, 1. Now in the next column I will find x. So x is a random number which is generated from exponential distribution with mean 1500. Why 1500? Because we have given that x is a random variable which denotes the life length of a certain battery. So if x is a life length of a certain battery, we have given that it is given that x has an exponential distribution with mean theta is equal to 1500 days. So therefore, we will use the formula x as minus theta into ln of 1 minus f of x to get a random number from exponential distribution with mean 1500. So let me put the value 1500 here. So I will put a formula of x here as x is equal to minus 1500 into 1 minus f of x. So f of x is already generated in second column. So we will use it to find x. So write equal to give the formula minus 1500 into, there should be ln here. Okay, I will put it again. This is ln of 1 minus f of x. So 1 minus, I will choose the cell number of f of x here. Okay, this is a random number from exponential distribution with mean 1500. Okay, so these random numbers keep on changing. In the last video also we have seen the reason. So I will just copy it for the 30 random numbers. I can decrease as this is a number of days. Okay, so I can make it as a So after that we have to find the descriptive statistics of this sample, and for that we will use the function from this. So we will click on data. In data analysis we have a function descriptive statistics. Let us use it. The pop-up window you can see here, it will ask for the input range, means the range of the data for which you want to find the descriptive statistics. So let me give the range here, range of all the 30 observations I am giving. And here we need summary statistics, so I will write summary statistics. I will click on summary statistics only, click OK. So this will display the result in the new worksheet, but I want the output on the same worksheet. Okay, so I will give the range here. So give a sufficient range and click OK. Okay, output range is missing, it is saying. It should be here. So click OK. Let me check what is wrong. Let me give the data range once again. And let us take the output in the new worksheet. So see the output here. You can see that the mean of the sample is 1444, almost 1445 days. The standard deviation is 299 days. Then median is 764 days. Okay. The standard error is the standard deviation of a sample. This is the standard deviation of a population, you can say. This is sample variance. This is kurtosis, which is 3.85 positive. Means it is a leptokurtic distribution. Then skewness is showing 1.9324, so it is positively skewed. The range of the data is very high, the minimum and maximum number is there, and in this way you will get the summary statistics of the sample we have generated over here. So this is about the random sample from exponential distribution with mean theta. So we will stop here. In the next video we will see how to generate a random sample from normal distribution.